Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about control. We're going to talk about for loops. So we're going to go back to our basket. So the basket. Let's go. Let's try something else. Let's see. List. Let's do countries. So countries. Say countries in Africa. That's nice. So Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Mali, Egypt, Algeria. I think that's okay. So now, if you want to use a loop, so basically a loop is used to run through an activity or just do something over a period of time. You can give it conditions or something. But let's say you want to run through this, you can just say for I. So this I is just anything, can just be for V actually. For V in countries, most times you use I. For I in countries. So that's kind of like for each item in countries. They will tell you what to do. You just say print I. So when you run this, then it just prints it out. So let's say you know how to write to a file or something. You can just write to your file at this point, at this I point. Now, another thing we can do actually is, let's say you want to count. Let's say someone tells you to count from, let's say 1 to 100. Let's say 1 to 10. So we're going to use a function called range. So we're going to say for I, let's use V this time. V in range 10. Then we just say print V. So as you can see, the range starts from 0 and goes to 9. So it actually counts 10 items. But if you want to do specifics, so you can just go for V in range, let's say 1, 11, print V. So you can see. So this second item actually kind of works. Sometimes you might have a list, let's say a list of countries, as we have been doing. Let's say countries equals Niger, Australia, Brazil, Denmark, Ireland, and you want to loop through. I also want to get the number, so you can just go something like for I, V in enumerate countries. So we'll print so you can see, so this will list out and then give you the number. For some reasons, maybe you're looping through maybe a file or something, maybe you're looping through an Excel file or a CSV file, and you need the index, let's say the number you've gone through. So you can use something like this. Then loop, this for loop, you can use it for any of the data structure. Let's say you have a word, say B equals, let's say Sadio Mane, for example. So for I in B, print I. So it loops through. A tuple is not gone a tuple, but a tuple is kind of like a list, but you use brackets for tuples. So let's talk about rivers. So rivers, let's say the Niger, the Victoria Falls. So River Benue, Mississippi. All right, let's just have this. You can easily, you know that here for a list you have the square brackets. For a tuple, you have the brackets. And the difference between a list and a tuple is that a list you can mutate it. That means you can change it, you can add to it. But a tuple you can't mutate it. It can be changed. So now if I loop through this for her in reverse, print hi. Okay. I'll show. So that's what we have there. Yeah, you can use. Yeah, let's stop there now. In another video, some of these things we use them in future videos, so we can for our projects or our programs. So see you in another video. You can subscribe to the channel if not subscribed, and then you can also comment if you like anything about the video, or if you want something changed or anything. Just comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell button so that when any video comes up you get to see it first. All right.